Yo, what's up guys? Matt Steffanina here, back with another tutorial. This one's Lil Dicky and Chris Brown, Freaky Friday. It's one of my favorite songs right now, probably one of your favorite songs too. That's probably why you want to learn to dance to it. So check this clip out real quick. That's what we're gonna learn today. It's actually not as hard as it looks, but remember, I do teach these in like hour classes, so it might take you more than one time through the tutorial to get it down. That's okay, that's normal. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram yet, make sure you follow me, follow Epic Dance Videos as well, and tag us both in your cover videos. You know, we're always reposting you guys, and your pages are blowing up with your covers because you're killing it, and everybody loves watching y'all. I love watching y'all, so once you guys get it down, make sure you post it up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. That's a little bell down there because we're doing all styles of dance, and I've got so many tutorials dropping lately. We've even been doing things like freestyling, twerking, how to do flips, all kinds of crazy stuff. All right, now we gotta get to work. I'm gonna meet y'all over in the studio. All right, fam squad, here we go. So this one, you're gonna start on 8, which is right before the 1. And what you're gonna do on 8 is you're gonna just prep your right hand. It's kind of like a cartoon when they're about to like throw like a fireball or something. You wanna make it way too epic for the move you're about to do. So you're gonna be like, whoop, set this up really big, and then you're gonna go, boom, and it's literally like you got like a ball of energy, right? So what I do to make this hit really hard is I'm popping. It's just basic popping. So I'm contracting my arms, contracting my abs, my leg. I'm even squeezing like my butt, my neck, everything in my body, all my muscles, boom, to make that hit really clean. So it's going 8, you go boom, then you're gonna snake this to the right, and you're gonna go boom and hit again. So it's not don't do that. It's just here and then boom, that contraction. And if you're not good at popping yet, it's okay. It takes a lot of practice to really get like a hard hit like that. But you'll notice a lot of the really strong dancers in my class, whether it's like older, younger, guy or girl, they all have that technique. So it's really important to work on it. Just keep working on that contraction. And remember, you don't want to think about moving your body a lot. So it's not this, it's get here and then boom, squeeze muscles. All right, anyway, enough about technique. Let's get to choreography. You go 8, 1, you snake, boom. You're gonna go around your head and you're gonna hit here, boom, and it's gonna bring your knees in. So there's one more pop. It's right after you bring this around. It's like a lasso. You're like, zoop, little Indiana Jones moment. Hit this down, and when it hits, boom, I'm gonna pop, boom, and that's gonna bring my knees in. Then you're gonna take your left knee and push it out with your right hand. You're gonna go body wave up to your mouth, and you're gonna sing American Idol style. Good. So really like over dramatic. It should be like a little bit of a joke. He says, I can. This is like Chris Brown rapping as if it's Lil Dicky. So he says, I can sing, so, and then he says, well, and it's like super auto-tuned, so it's like, well, like all funny, well, so you wanna make that a little bit of a joke. Then you're gonna punch with your right hand, hit, you're gonna go out chest and step behind with your left, then you're gonna go ouch. So one more time, slide this way, you hit, you go out chest and make that really clean. He says, can I really say? Then you're gonna go ouch. Then you're gonna switch your knees and go, ooh. So just kind of up and over. This hand doesn't change. That's really important to make this clean. Up and over. Then you're gonna re-step on this left, kind of slide back to where you came from and go, boom, smack that right hand out of the way. You're gonna go down, up, your hands are in front. Then it's gonna go, brah, in the music. So my fingers are closing, and at the same time, I'm just gonna let my shoulders shrug to make that effect a little bigger. Then I'm gonna prep, and I'm gonna go boom, and I'm gonna let that jump me back slightly to prepare for the next section. So let's go from the top. I think this is actually the hardest section of this dance, even though it's a little bit slow, honestly, because the timing is funny. So it's like 6, 7, you're going 8, boom, and boom, and boom. Sing, so, well, then this is on 1. Wonder if I can say, push, shh. For real? He says for real in the back like this. For real? Like a question. Then you're gonna go, boom. Can I really say, boom. Nice. From here, gets a little more full out. You're gonna go on your right foot. You're gonna go right, left, right, left. And when I do this full out, it's like you wanna bring your arm back really far, push your chest and your chin forward, boom, and you wanna ta, hua, ta, ta. So I'm kind of hopping onto that foot. From here, I'm gonna turn. So I'm gonna bring my right foot in front of my left, click, and at the same time, my hands are gonna come here, and they're gonna go around my head like this while I turn, so it creates like a cool little spinny effect. That's a technical term, I think, spinny effect, good. And then you're gonna step on your right, push this away, really big. You're gonna slide to the left, bring that arm over, and you're gonna go whap and hit your arms up. Cool, so just that new part one more time. You did push, this goes step and hit and turn, and then you come over the top of that same arm and you go up with both hands. Nice. So we're gonna go on a little more, and then don't worry, I'll make sure you guys are good and got the whole thing down. You hit here, full out again. You're gonna jump and cross your right foot in front. You're gonna go cross and throw, push. So when I do this cross, it's like, you know how you'll be at a concert and they'll be like, put your hands up, and they're like super, like way too full out because it's like not even a hype song. That's the vibe. You wanna be like, wah, 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 like super big. Then you push, and this will be a pas de bourrée, right, left, right. You're gonna go right, left, down, shoom, pull it back. So when I say pas de bourrée, if you're not sure what that means I'm gonna take 3 steps and I'm gonna end with my right foot forward. A lot of times you'll end right foot to the side. We're gonna do forward in this case. I'm gonna go ba, 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 shoom. My arms, easy. Just from here, I'm taking my left arm on top. I'm gonna spin my hands around like this. I'm gonna press forward, and then I'm gonna pull it back. So let's try it together. You did swing, hit, you go. Click and throw, push, ta, ta, down, then you're gonna go winner, 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 winner. And you can style this how you want. It could be 4 high ones. You'll see in a video, some people did like low, low, high, high, kind of your own vibe, but keep it clean. Da, 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 da. Then you're gonna go cross and down, up, boom. And another hit, not a yeah. Although, if that really makes you happy, like if your soul is like, when you hit that, it just makes you feel good, go ahead, I'm not gonna judge you. So you did right hand on top, switch it, up, boom, yeah? So with the knees, all it is it's right knee in, right knee out, and I start to slide to go down, feet together, to come up here, boom, and I crack that. And you don't wanna hit this so hard that you like lose your balance, because you gotta hold it for a second. Click, then you're gonna just groove. Left, left, left really big here, to step, body roll up, arms roll up. So this groove, all I'm doing is I think about dipping my right shoulder down, down. And at the same time, I prep that leg. So each time when my shoulder dips, step and dip, step and dip. On the last one, it's bigger, so you can like matrixy slow motion. You can like push your hips around, however you want to style that is cool. You step in, when you do, you're gonna start low, so you can go, roll this up. Then, last part, we're almost there. You guys are killing it, I'm sure. If not, it's a video, so you can rewind. You're gonna take your left foot in front, you're gonna go left foot in front, then you're gonna kind of drop down and sit into that back leg and your front heel come up. Then you switch your feet, right foot in front, sit and bring that right heel up. So it goes 7, 8, zoom, ga, zoom, ga. One more time, 7, 8, zoom, ga, zoom, ga. Okay, cool. But there's arms. We gotta add some arms to that. So you're gonna go arms open, cross, chill, open. So 7, 8, open, cross, chill, open. Chill is just don't move on chill. That's the third one, yeah? 7, 8, open, cross, chill, open. Last part, you're gonna go up with your right hand, down with your left. You're gonna open them up really big. You're gonna drop this down, hands come down with you. You're gonna lift up like you do something really cool, and then you're just gonna go, really lazy, like almost the lazier the better, but you still gotta really control it. So what am I doing? I'm taking my right hip down, down. It's like when you do this like Beyonce, like, why am I so good at that? Anyway, you're here, you going slow, slow, and your arm is kind of like right arm up with you. But again, this is the last move, so I want you to hit like clean, 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 and then just kind of party on that last step, yeah? And then of course, kill your freestyle at the end, do something really dope. And that's it, you guys got the whole routine. Now I know we didn't go through that end part too many times, so let's take it from here, do the whole ending, and then we'll go back to the top. Cool? 5, 6, 7, you did rap, and boom. Right, left, left, turn, whoop, and push. You go over, and 8, cross, full out, woo. 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and you go cross, and down, up, boom. You groove really slow, body roll, then left foot forward. Left, A, right, A, cross and down, up, Friday. And there you have it. The whole dance. All right, so cool. Let's go back to the very top. Try the whole thing slow, make sure we feel good, and then I'll get you guys going faster. Starts on 8, don't forget that, because in class a lot of people were like 7, 8, 1, and the whole rest of the class had already started to dance, and that's not a good look. So, starts on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and boom, and boom, and sing so well. You hit boom, wonder if I can say cross and for real. Can I really say whoom, whoom, brr, and boom, ta, 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 turn, push, 7, 8, you go, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and A, cross and down, up, boom, and chill, one more really long, boom, brah, left and right and cross and down, up, chill, yes. So you notice like a couple parts, D, and the similar one at the end, they get a little fast, so you gotta be really strong with your arms there. The rest of it, it's not like a super fast routine, just the timing is really important, so make sure you understand that timing. All right, when you're ready, we're gonna go to the fast version so that you guys can go kill it with the music. So this one's gonna be a little quicker. And remember, it starts on what count? 1,000,000 points if you said 8. Good job. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, sh, boom, sh, boom. Sing so well. You go. Boom. Wonder if I could say click, click. For real? Really say shoom, shoom, and boom. Ta, 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 ta. Turn and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Whop, whop. Hey. 3 and 4 and chill. Yeah, ta, ta. Boom. And hey, and zoom, left 8, right 8, click, down, up, chill, boom. Freestyle, cool moves, and yeah.